Alright guys, welcome to Workshop Wednesdays. Another update for you guys. This weekend I haven't really done much, so I'm just kind of actually prepping some wood like this. I got a bowl blank from some really cool wood. I've used this wood for other projects, so it's got a lot of cool figure in it. I'm gonna be turning that and I will probably show you guys that. So the other thing is I was going to film a Valentine's Day project, but I really couldn't come up with anything that I really wanted to do and that I had the ability to do. I'm kind of working with the wood that I have. I'm trying to limit my spending because, again, last month I already went over the budget with the stabilizing stuff, but the stabilizing stuff turned out to be so cool. I'm going to show more videos on that eventually. So this week it's not going to be a Valentine's Day project, but it's at least another project that you're going to get. So I'm going to keep up with the weekly workshop, the weekly workshop videos. That big root ball that I asked about, I actually got some cool ideas of what to do with it. So that's another video. I'm actually stabilizing part of it right now. I didn't film that, I forgot to film it, so I'm gonna just explain it in the video, but that's coming up soon too, so that'll be pretty awesome. Another thing I've been working on this week is I kind of got back into my 3D printing stuff. I got more 3D print filament from Amazon for pretty cheap, so I kind of wanted to make a couple things. I will show you guys those things later. I might actually do a video on the whole 3D print process, so we'll see how that goes, but I will explain that a little bit more. So with that, I kind of got absorbed into the 3D print stuff, and I really didn't get anything done in the workshop. So but anyway, look for those updates coming soon. Again, tomorrow, or I'm sorry, not tomorrow, Wednesday, there's going to be a video on something that I made. I forget which one it is because, again, I scheduled them ahead of time. And coming up soon, you'll have a lot more videos every week. That's the plan, right? Every week? Every week, maybe? We'll see how it goes. At least in February, it will be every week. Past that, we'll see how it goes. All right, thanks for tuning in, guys.